Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cool, spiral stairs. Get your black markers ready, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, draw a zigzag line starting from the top. This will be the outline of our stairs. Now, draw another zigzag line parallel to the first one. This will create the sides of the stairs. Next, connect the edges of the zigzag lines with small horizontal lines. These lines form the steps of the stairs.
La da 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 dee.
To give the stairs some walls, draw 2 vertical lines on each side. This will define the space around the stairs. Fantastic work! Now, take your black marker and go over all the lines again to make the outlines bold and sharp. This will make your artwork pop. It's time to bring our spiral stairs to life with colors. Grab your color pens and let's start coloring. Use pink color for one side of the wall. Now color the other wall with blue color. For the steps, color the top surfaces with yellow color. Use red color to color the sides of each step.
Yay!
Great job! You've made your spiral stairs colorful and vibrant. Whoa! Look at your amazing spiral stairs! You did such a fantastic job drawing and coloring today. Don't forget to show your artwork to your family and friends. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.